Well, hello. Oh, it's hot over here. It's hot. How is everybody? I got ring lights back here. I wanted to chat with you guys. Were you able to see the airing of our oven gloves? Wow. I don't even know what's left. I did hear that a couple of them sold out, but I just wanted to show you guys really quick in case you missed it. Hello, everyone. Hey, Lulu. First one on the board. We are having so much fun over here chatting. Ooh, it's like a seance. Ooh, chatting, saying hey, and sharing with all of you our oven gloves. So we are finally back in stock after they sold out. By the way, they sold out in January, then we brought them back in for March. They sold out in March, then we brought them back in for April. They sold out in April, and here we are. Hey, Paul. Hi, Margie. Hi, Vanessa. Hey, gang. How's everybody doing? Melinda. By the way, I'm up looking at all of the product that's upcoming, and I actually can't. It is fantastic. But I wanted to show you what we were sharing with you today. Buffetti completely sold out. Harvest is super duper limited. Hey, Megan. Hello, everyone. Hi, Sherry. Hi, Lisa. I didn't want you guys to miss out on it, okay? So we launched today. This light's got to go. I feel like I'm in a seance. Okay, we launched today Harvest for the first time. By the way, we have way more? No. We have more Harvest coming. But we did it in our gloves, which is fantastic. So I love that you have the acorns, you have the leaf detail. Mary Bates, my love, how are you, friend? Hi, Eve. So we have a set of 2 today, which means, where's my other set? Hold on, please. Coming. You're going to receive 4 gloves for under $20. And I know like sometimes during an airing, we can't really talk through all the things. So I really did want to just talk through it with you guys. So first and foremost, I designed these with multiple layers of fabric. And what those multiple layers of fabric do, I need to like dial it back. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to talk to all of you. And I love it when you guys get as excited about an item as I do. So layer upon layer of safety for your hands and your wrist. And then I put silicone on it. Of course, we do patterns because that's how I roll here at Temp-tations. So you have our beautiful iconic patterns on the front and the back, but that silicone actually creates a non-slip grip. So when I'm opening jars, when I'm taking things in and out, it makes it super easy. There's no right hand and there's no left hand. And I gotta tell you guys, what a phenomenal gift. Because it takes us so much time to get back in, because there are delays everywhere, like I'm channeling Lisa Lasort, go into your gift closet, pick up a couple of pairs or just the pair, keep one, gift one. I just think every kitchen, every outdoor space should have it, whether you're using the air fryer, whether you're using the Traeger, whether you're using the indoor oven, whether you're going in and out of the microwave, going in and out of your Oster, wherever the surface is hot, these are going to be perfect. And you're getting a set of 4. Lisa Lasort just dropped the link in. So if it makes it easier for you guys can just go ahead and click. I know we sold out of Buffetti in both sizes. I know we sold out of Patriotic in both sizes. I think we were limited in what we call the confetti. So let's just talk about like great gifts. Hold please, I gotta go back over here. Hold on. Bear with me. Now she's singing. Tell her not to sing. Oh, now I remember. Okay, great gift, damask. And we have a lot more. We've done this in glass. We did this in our drying mats. You're gonna see this pattern more and more. So if you love it, grab it. If you collect woodland, if you like more of that modern look, these are phenomenal. And I love what David said, right? Keep a pair inside, keep a pair outside, use them as trivets in coordination with what you're using already. They're fantastic. Hi, Monica. Hi, Deborah. I already have about 10 pairs. That's my girl, Deborah. That's like me. It's like, where are the kitchen gloves? I'm like, there's an entire drawer dedicated to our kitchen gloves. Okay, gift alert, right? Damask, love this as a gift, especially for like someone new, someone new, someone younger, that they could be new. I mean, I don't know. Taupe polka dot, love this, love the taupe color if you have someone like neutral. This is very farmhouse chic, by the way. So if you have someone who loves that kind of farmhouse look. Confetti polka dot, and this was like limited, so bear with me if you get over to QVC and the sizes are sold out, I don't know. There are 2 sizes. This is the small. Now the small is a small medium. I have a very tiny hand. When you put this on, You don't want it to fit like a glove. You know what I mean? It's not supposed to be tight. It's not supposed to feel like a winter glove. It's supposed to give and room and space and air. Why? So that when you're coming in and out of the oven, when you're moving things, that's part of the protection as well. So when you get this home and you have a small hand like mine and you have room in here, that's what you want. You want your hands to be able to move inside the gloves but not slip, and you want to have that dexterity of a glove versus like a mitt. I know I get very excited over gloves. What can I tell you? Walk with me because I want to show you. I'm going to put on the damask. By the way, I say damask, and then I think it's damask, and I think there's 100 ways to say it. But here's what I want to show you. Tea kettle. When we talk about heat transfer, and I'm going to let it actually whistle. When we talk about heat transfer and we talk about the layers upon layer of protection, it is what gives you the ability to reach in under the broiler and grab something, to grab that baked potato or corn on the cob off the grill, right? Because you have that layer upon layer, because you have the silicone on the front and the back. And remember, you're getting 4. So you're getting 2 pairs. Let me say hi. Oh, Cindy got the buffetti in the harvest. I love it. There won't be any more buffetti, Jennifer. I'm sorry. These are seasonal patterns that we bring in just this time. And then once it's gone, and you won't see it until this time next year, if at all. Oh, saved by the whistle. So here is my very pretty doodle-doo kettle. Ow, kidding. I can take that boiling tea kettle right off the stove and put it directly on my hand. Now, what do I feel? I'm feeling heat. There's no doubt about it. But if you took a tea kettle off of a boiling stove, while your tea kettle was boiling, and put it on any other glove, do you think you could stand here and have a conversation? Probably not. By the way, I have to jam my elbow into my rib cage so that I can hold it with one hand. It's the glamorous life I have here. And even the top is hot. So being able to hold that heat and not have to worry about it is, of course, an extreme demo, but it's a great way to show you why you want these in your kitchen, why you want them when you're going in and out of the microwave, in and out of the oven, in and out of an Oster, on the grill and the barbecue. Ooh, it's hot over here. And then come with me. This is gonna be a very interesting shot. There are the ring lights. Lisa's probably dying right now. Hello, here's my oven. And what I wanna show you is that I literally can grab the racks and pull the racks out, whether it's the middle one, whether it's the top one. This oven is on at 350 degrees. Not only can I touch the door, I can reach in and bump into this, and because I've extended the cuff, it's not gonna burn. I have so many burns around my wrists that's why I wanted to give you the extended cuff. So this is why I think it's been so popular. Hey, do you guys want to just hang out here and talk? This is why I think it's been so popular, because it does what we say, and they're decorative and beautiful. So they're definitely something we want to have in our home and around our kitchen. And then, of course, you can take them outside. When you want to wash them, throw them in the washing machine. Let them dry flat because of that silicone. You don't want to do anything to disrupt that. Please comment in sizing. Large is the original size, yes. And then we had a request for a smaller size. So the large is what we originally offered. So we used to sell one set. Hold, please. We used to sell one set. So 2 gloves. This is comfy down here. Wonder if we could get like the studio to shoot me down here. 2 gloves for $20. Now we have 4 gloves. So it's literally like buy one, get one free, which is awesome. Because we kept hearing from all of you like, I buy multiple pairs, I want multiple ones. And so we put together a set, and instead of asking you to pay double, you get both. So you get all 4, which is awesome. So sizing, small, medium, pick the small. That's my hand. But look, there's room up here. You want the room in the glove and up at the fingertips so that your hand can slide through and move around, because that's also what helps with the layer upon layer of heat protection, okay? Hi, Laura. I need to say hi to everybody. I'm so excited about these. Hey, Isabel. I have several gloves, red and blue. Hey, Jean. Hi, everybody. Hey, Mary. Love you lounging on the floor. Yeah, sure. I know. It's actually, this is probably, look, we actually have Christmas trees up. Like, It's Christmas in July. Now it's August. We have a decor hour show on August 15th where we're going to share all harvest things with you. I would take you into the other room and show you, but Lisa might kill me. Live from the kitchen floor. Matthew, I love you. Hey, you can't say love your top. Thank you. I actually think it's Lucky. Do you guys shop at Lucky? There's an outlet down here, and it's amazing. But thank you. The kitchen floor mats and drying mats are incredible. Yes, they'll be back. They'll be back, and like we talked about, damask. What does everybody say? How would you even write that to say how you say it? Team Buffetti, Margaret. I can't even tell you. There are so many cute. Did Lisa show you guys? All right, let's get up. Hey, was that smooth or what? All those years of yoga paying off. Did Lisa show you like the Buffetti characters and some of the stuff that we have coming up? Hold, please. Let me swing this around. Like, have you guys seen Glass Platter of Frankie? Did we show you Glass Platter of Little Mummy? I actually can't. Like, I'm exploding. I'm so excited. And by the way, we have, and I'm just going to show you like this, a little sneak peek, not the carpet. That's not it. Are those figural Buffetti fairy lights? So anyway, lots of fun stuff, lots of exciting things. Thanks for tuning in today. Wanted to just give you a little play-by-play on the gloves. Don't miss out on them, you guys, because they're finally back in stock after selling out January, March, and April. And we brought in Buffetti, which is completely sold out. Harvest, which was super limited. We lost Patriotic already. We have polka dots. We have damask. We have some of our classics. Look at how beautiful the green are. Love that we popped the yellow there too. Really fun. So check it out. Head on over to qvc.com. It is item number K51459. Did you like how I did that? 4 gloves, not 8, 4 gloves for $20, under $20. Can't wait for harvest and Christmas decor. I am so excited, Cindy. Where is your hubby? Our son is visiting. So they actually went out. Hey, Billy. They actually went out for a quick bite. And I'm just wrapping up here. And then mom's coming. We're going to do we were going to grill. But that kind of went out the window. So she's like, well, that's why they make fry pans, honey. I mean, mother's words of wisdom. So we're going to do burgers. And obviously, Ed'll have a veggie burger and corn on the cob. So, all right, you guys. So good to see you. Hello to Ted. Do you guys know that when we got married, our little hashtag, like on Instagram, was Ted Got Wed, meaning Tara and Ed, Ted. So a lot of our friends will refer to us as Ted. And it happens to be my original initials, so just throwing it out there. Too much information over those platters. Matthew, hold on, I'm getting them. Hold, please. I'm so excited about these. You guys are so good. You bear with me. Look, I wanted to bring her over into the light. I actually love her so much. Lisa and I were like, what? First of all, her eyelashes, I don't even want to talk about it. So here's little Mommy, and here's Frankie. Like, stay tuned, because we're going to show you that. I think we show you guys this shatterproof wreath. Like, we have so much fun stuff coming up. It's just awesome. It makes me so happy. It gets me so excited. It gets me so excited that you're so excited. Matthew Angelo, I'm dead. I love it. Hey, Matthew, did you get the Buffetti gloves? Is this hot? Is this? Okay. Let me show you the Buffetti gloves in case you pick them up. Just a little close-up of our bats and our cobwebs. I know. All right, everybody, go enjoy your Sunday. Thank you for checking in. Don't miss out on those gloves. Small or large, 4 back in stock. And I think, I don't know, last time I heard David, it was something like 15,000 sets were sold. So absolutely amazing. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy your Sunday. I love you guys to pieces, and you always make me smile. Hope I do the same.